A very good morning to you, class 3 students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Children, I welcome you again to the audiovisual class of social studies. As you all know that in our previous classes, we did chapter number 5, We Are Equal. Today onwards, children, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is People Who Help Us. Now children, just look at this picture. Here are so many persons who help us in our day-to-day life. See, first picture is of postman, doctor, traffic policeman, farmer, milkman, cobbler, nurse, lawyer, tailor, electrician, mason, teacher, soldier, driver, barber, potter, plumber, painter, and carpenter. Now children, these all are the pictures of the people who help us in our day-to-day life. They are giving their services to us and helping us to survive in the life. Like postman delivers letters to us, doctor treat the patients, traffic policemen control the traffic, policemen maintain law and order in our society, farmer grow crops and gives us food, milkman gives us milk, cobbler mend our shoes, nurse help the doctor to treat the patients, lawyer, what is the work of the lawyer, children? Lawyer helps us in the court work. Tailor stitch our clothes, as you all know that. Electrician help us in our electric work. Mason make houses for us. Teach us in school. Soldier protect our country. Driver drive the car for us. Barber cut our hair. Potter makes the clay pots for us. Plumber helps us in repairing the taps. And painter, yes children, carpenter makes furniture for us. So how these people helps us in our day-to-day life, and these are the people who help us in our day-to-day life. Without them we cannot survive. They are very important people in our life. So let's read about them in detail. First is children, community. What is the meaning of the community? A group of people living in the same area. Yes, children, the area in which we are living, other people are also living, and that area is called a community. For example, people in your neighborhood are a community. Yes, children, your neighbors, you and your neighbors are the part of the community. There are some people who work to help the community. Such people are called community helpers. Yes, children, there are so many persons who work to help the community, and such type of people are called community helpers. They make our life easy and comfortable, and without them our life will not be easy and comfortable. So these all are community helpers. Okay children, now community children, community helpers. Community helpers are everywhere throughout our communities, at home, at school, at the library or the store. We meet hard-working men and women who make our lives easier every day. Yes, children. So, first of all, you have to fill in the missing letters to get the names of the people who help us. This is given in your book, and you have to do this work in your book. Okay, children? So, let's start with first. I mend shoes. I am a cobbler. Yes, children, who mend your shoes? Cobbler. Cobbler. Number 2. I stitch clothes. I am a tailor. 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 I mend broken pipes. I am a plumber. Yes, children, who mend broken pipes? Plumber. Plumber. Number 4. I make and repair things made of wood. I am a carpenter. Yes, children, who make and repair things made of wood? Answer is carpenter. So, Carpenter. So, first answer is cobbler, second is tailor, third is plumber, and fourth is carpenter. Okay, children? So now children, let us read about the first community helper, which is very important part of our life, that is farmers. Yes children, a large number of people in our country are farmers. It means so many. There are so many people in our country who are farmers. Farmers grow many types of crops. And a farmer is a person who does all agriculture activities. Yes, children. A farmer is a person who does all agriculture activities and he grows many crops for us. In other words, we can say that he is the person who grows food for us. Farmer grows all vegetables, pulses, wheat, maize, fruits, and so many things which we need in our daily life. Yes, children, which we eat daily. It all the things are grown by the farmers. So he is very important for our life and playing very important role in our life. Now children, this is the picture of all type of vegetable, and these all farmer grow all vegetables, pulses, wheat, maize and fruit. So these all things grows by the farmer. Okay children, these all things grows by the farmer. Now next children, topic is cattle rearing. Now what is cattle rearing? Some farmers also rear cattle on their farms. It means they keep the cattle on their farms, and cattle like cows and buffaloes give milk. As you know that cow and buffalo gives us milk. Now children, we also get meat from some cattle, and we get eggs and meat from poultry farms. Without farmers, there would be no food on our place. Yes children, without farmers, we will not get the food. If the farmers does not do his work, we will not get the food. Now children, our next community helpers is teachers. Now teachers work in schools. As we all know that teachers work in schools, they help us to read and write. They use smart boards, charts, models and maps to make learning fun. Yes children, teachers want to make the teaching interesting, so that teachers use smart boards, charts, models and maps to make learning fun. They teach us to work together and help others. How we should work together and help each other. Like our parents, teachers also teach us good habits and manners. Just like the parents, teachers also teach us good habits and manners. We celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day, and teachers are the nation builders. Teachers help us to become better human beings. Yes children, teachers are the nation builders and help us to become a better human beings. Now children, let us read about also Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Now who is he? Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian philosopher, academic and statesman who served as the first Vice President of India. Yes children, he was the first Vice President of India and the second Prime President of India. Now according to him, teachers should be the best minds in the country. Yes children, teachers should be the best mind in the country, and teachers are the pillar of our society. They play an extraordinary part in the lives of our children in equipping them with knowledge. Yes, certain teachers help the students to get the good knowledge, strength, and to make them learn to face hardship of life. It means how we have to face the difficulties of life. Now they involve themselves in molding their students into responsible citizens of the countries. Yes, children, teachers play a very important role in molding the students into responsible citizens of our country. And now children, why Teachers' Day is celebrated? Because of him. Yes. Since 1962, India has been celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th September. Do you know how is Teachers' Day originated? On the auspicious occasion of Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday, his students and friends requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday, but in reply, Dr. Radhakrishnan said that instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it would be privileged if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day. Yes, children, on the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, every year we celebrate Teachers' Day. Yes, children, on the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, we celebrate Teachers' Day. His birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day every year on 5th September. Right, children? Now, yes, children, our next community helper is doctors. Doctors also play a very important role in our life. And doctors work in hospitals or in clinics. As we all know that if we want to meet the doctor, we have to go to the hospital or to the clinic. They help sick people to get well soon. Yes, children, those people are not feeling well. They help them to get well soon. And How they help us? By giving medicines, cure our wounds and fix broken bones. Yes, children. Doctors gives us medicine if we have any type of injury. He or she cure our wounds and fix broken bones. Doctor vaccinate us to protect us from diseases such as polio and measles. Nowadays, we all are also getting the corona vaccination to protect ourselves from corona virus. Just like that, doctors also vaccinate us to protect us from diseases such as polio and measles. They also teach us ways to stay healthy. Yes, children, doctors also teach us how we have to keep ourselves clean and healthy. Some doctors treat sick or injured animals. Yes, children. Few doctors treat sick or injured animals, and such doctors are called veterinary doctors. Yes, children. Now, question is, who are the veterinary doctors? The doctors who treat sick or injured animals are called veterinary doctors. Okay, children. Right, children. So, let us revise what we have just read in this chapter. Children, we read about the community helpers, that the people who help the community are called community helpers. And what is a community? A group of people living in the same area in which we are living. We all are the part of the community. You and your neighbors and your whole area is a part of the community. And the people who help the community is called community helpers. Few examples of community helpers are farmers. Next, we read about the activity which is done by the farmers, that is cattle rearing, teachers, and we also read about the Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, that his birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day every year on 5th September. And we also read about the doctors, that how doctors help us to get well soon. So children, you have to read these topics very carefully and try to get the knowledge from these topics. Thank you so much for today. Have a nice day.